Hi, and welcome to the section 2 of this course, Azure Storage Blobs. In this section, we will cover the Azure Storage Blobs, their types, and how to use containers for blobs. We will move ahead and create a new CDN account for our blobs. In this video, we will take the introduction to Azure Storage Blobs. We will cover the Azure Storage Blobs, their containers, their blob types, and a few properties about the blobs. The Blob Services, as the name suggests, provides the offering to work with the binary content. The binary content can be thought of a buffer where you store any of the content that you have, such as images, videos, audio, or your programs. Azure Storage is a service that offers storage capabilities hosted inside the cloud. Azure Storage has a special type of service tuned in for the specific needs, such as Blob Service for binary content, Table Service for unstructured document content, Queue Service for messages. There are different types of blobs: Block Blob, Append Blob, and Page Blob. All these three offerings are made by Azure for a special type of purpose and reason used by their customers. A block blob is a fixed block of binary content stored on the Azure. The blocks of blobs are of different but fixed sizes to store the data. They allow operations to update the blob. Every blob has a special size, such as of 4 MBs, 100 MBs, 1 MB, and so on. You can consume these blocks by their block IDs and use these block IDs to delete or update the blocks. You can have as many blocks as you would like, as long as you are not increasing the size, which is limited by Azure. The limit imposed on the block blobs is 4.7 terabytes of data. The append blobs are special kind of block blobs, but they are configured for append operation. An append operation is storing the content at the end of it, such as adding more rows to the table. They do not expose block IDs, and they do not support updating or deleting operations. They are also limited to 195 gigabytes of space only. Finally, the page blobs are made up of pages of fixed 512 bytes size. They are configured with a max size limit, such as 100 or 1000 gigabytes, and then those 1000 gigabytes can have pages of 512 bytes in size. They support operations for reading and writing to single or multiple pages simultaneously or in parallel, just like block blobs. Page blobs are highly efficient due to their less size, and they are typically used in Azure virtual machines for the disks and other performance factors. Due to a high demand of page blobs, the size of a page blob in Azure can grow out up to 8 terabytes in size. So these are the three types of blobs offered by Azure Blob Service, and you can configure them for your own purposes as needed and required. So this was it for the theory of the blobs.